Good day, Ma'am and Sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rica Quilon. I am 28 years old. I am a single with living partner with 2 kids. One boy aged 6 years old and one girl aged 5 years old. I am a high school graduate with vocational course of NC2 Caregiving. I have a work experience in Malaysia last March 2023 up to March 2024. 2 family members, my main duties and responsibilities is taking care of the bedridden patients. NGT, catheter care, sanctions, changing diaper, transferring bed to wheelchair, and vice versa. And I also do the washing the patient's clothes, preparing patient's food, and maintain the cleanliness in the house every day. When she passed away, they introduced me to the family friends. 4 family members, husband and wife, 7-year-old boy, and newborn. My main duties and responsibilities is taking care of newborn, doing household chores such as laundering, ironing, gardening, and maintain the cleanliness in the house every day. Ma'am and Sir, if you able me, I'll be able to work with your family with respect, loving, patience, and follow your instructions. Ma'am and Sir, if you're giving me a chance to work with your family, I am a honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.